In this video, we're gonna show you how to find voice account number. Firstly, open up your voice account. So once you open up your voice account, log into your account. So what you are going to do now, if you want to look the account details of your account, so there choose the balance, that which currency account that you want the account number for. So choose your account. So for example, mine here, I will choose this one. So click on it, and then here under your account balance you will see a number popping up here. This is actually the account number. So what you can do, you can actually click on it. So if you click on this, you will see all your account details, not just your account number but also your other account details as well. Okay, and then you have other tabs left, and then you will see all this. You can just get all information related to your account in a together with your account number. So that's how you can find wise account number.